Today, let's talk about masonry brick. Not that brick, this brick. Everybody loves the masonry brick piece, but not everybody knows all the tricks to use it. Most people just take them and stack them right up on top of each other. And that's great if you're going in small spaces. The problem is when you get to a corner, it's not that attractive, but you can make it attractive. The other problem is if you want to do large buildings with it, it gets expensive fast. So let's talk about some of the tricks we can use to make our bricks last a lot longer. Also tips on how to make some of those corners more attractive. You can use this 1x1x2 snot brick, add some tiles to give yourself a decorative corner, or you can use this 1x1 snot brick and add a little bit of greebling onto the corner. And you can even use a snot brick and add it to the masonry bricks and do it in this technique using ingots to break up that ugly looking corner. The most affordable solution is just stagger your masonry bricks and use 1x1 brick on the corners as well. Now let's discuss walls. Just stacking the bricks looks amazing, but it gets expensive fast. So one real quick and easy trick is add standard 1x2 and 1x1 bricks in with your masonry bricks and stagger them around. Now instead of using 25 masonry bricks for one small wall, I'm only using 7. And now if you really want to get fancy with your brick walls, this last trick is for you. When making the walls, you can use a combination of plates and brick, and even tile. And let's throw in a few snot bricks just for an added measure. And when you're finished, you have a beautifully greebled wall with a nice natural aged look, kind of like me.